What's up, everyone? It's your boy Two Phones back again with another informative video. Sorry for the shakiness of the video. I'm not holding up. Well, I don't have my tripod with me at the moment, so I'm trying to show you guys this quick tutorial on how to find all your live TV in one place. So shouts to Bodyguard for sending me a video idea or a video link that he showed me and was like, hey, you should do this for your YouTube channel. So I was like, all right, let me check it out. And yeah, it's really not that hard. What you want to do to find all your live TV channels all in one place, you want to go all the way over here to your top of your screen on your Fire TV. You want to go to settings. Then you want to scroll all the way over to live TV icon right there. You want to hit the center button on your Fire TV remote. Okay, so here is the categories. You got live TV favorite channels, you have your managed channels, you have your parental controls, and then you have your sync sources. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your sync sources. This syncs your live TV sources to refresh the data on the device. So you want to click on that, and then these are all the sources. Based on my Fire Stick, when I'm pulling the live TV channels from, IMDb TV, Tubi, Pluto, Zumo, News, and I think, Sling TV. So I'm pulling 6 sources, and it's actually more than that. I just not sure why it's not reading the other ones, but it's more sources than that give you live TV at the moment. But right now it's pulling up those 6. And out of those 6, I'm getting up to 200 channels. Okay, so once you zinc it all up, you have all of these zinced. You want to go back. You want to go back up to manage channels. Okay, so then you want to manage channels. You press select to manage individual channels for Sling TV, Prime Video, IMDb, Pluto, Tubi, Zumo, and News by Fire TV. You can do that as well. Let's see. And you can set up your favorites. Okay. And these are all the favorites that I think is just a quick access to get into to the most viewed channels I think I will watch. All right. Now you want to go back. Once you got all that zinced and set up, you want to hit the home button on your remote. All right, and you want to go to the live tab. Okay, you want to go to the live tab. Then the next thing you want to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom. All right, you see this? It says channel guide. Okay, you got channel guide, you got your favorites, you got your parentals, and then that's another way to get to the channel settings. But let's go to the channel guide. I'm going to mute. Okay, and then this is the channel guide. All right, so you have your channel guide right here. This shows you everything from all your sources, all your live channels from your sources. Okay, and then another thing you could do is if you can't find the right one, let's say you want to go home, let's hit the home button. You could also do voice recognition. Okay, you could do voice recognition. You could say, hey Alexa, show me. Okay, it's tweaking a little bit. Hey Alexa, show me the live channel guide. That time it didn't really work, but it usually lets you do that, and then it'll just open up the live channel guide. Or let's say, Alexa, show me channel guide. Oh, that time it didn't do it again. Okay, so Alexa is in and out. It's on and off sometimes. Sometimes you could get it right. Sometimes, okay, well, it says, no, that's not recent channels. Okay, but that's how you find your local, that's how you find your live channels. So once you get it all set up, it should be here. And your most recent channels will pop up here. Let me see if I click on Hulu, would it show me the live? Okay, let me see if I can hit the back button or down. Okay, it won't work like that. Okay, hit the back button. All right, so, okay, that part didn't work. Okay, but it usually gives you, okay, where it says live sports, this is where your live feed is for your live sports. Breaking news, most of these are live right now. So you do have your different categories, as like I said, they do break it down to what you have installed for live channels already. So all you have to do is find which source you want to go to and watch it live. Otherwise, you can go to your favorites tab or the channel guide, and it will pull up all your sources that you have installed. Okay, and that's how you really work it. All right, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Did you know that you could pull up a live channel guide right on your Fire TV? I'm not sure why they don't have it as an actual port, but I think this is the Fire Stick. I'm on the Fire Stick, so the Fire TV itself, it could already have the channel guide as an option for a recent. But if you want to find the channel guide, let me see if it's on the home screen. Don't think it's on the home screen, but it will pull sources from your apps. That's for sure. It will pull sources from your apps. But if you do need that channel guide, you have to go to your live tab at the top again, and then find a source that's showing the live, and then it'll take you right there. All right, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have any more questions about how to set this up, also please ask about that. All right, thanks for watching.